This time, I am taking you to Thailand. Hey guys, we just arrived in Patong in Phuket and it's currently 11 p.m. so our flight arrived really late and I haven't eaten dinner, so we're going to try to go out and see if anything's available right now to eat. So guys, we did find a place and it was a Thai restaurant, and look at the price. Oh my god, 160 baht, which is around 6 Australian dollars, and the food here was pretty good. So after that, we tried going to Patong Beach. It was raining so much, but we checked out Game Space, which is basically like an arcade, and it's open till 3 a.m. so why not? And there was basically lots of different games and things to do. We tried out the virtual reality driving experience. Good morning everyone, it is the next day. I am ready to go out, but before I do, I promised you guys to show you our room, so I'll take you around. So this is the front door when you enter, and then this is the living room. There's a TV up here, and this is the first bedroom. Has two separate sections to keep his and her stuff. There's a TV. So this is the first balcony, which we haven't actually looked at. This is a little dining area, a little outdoor kitchen up here. I just realized there's a ladder which goes up to somewhere unknown. I am not too sure where that is, but anyways, when you go back in, so this is the first bathroom, and then this is the second balcony. It comes with a cute little hammock, and then there is a cabinet here, I'm not too sure why. Seating area, another ladder. They seem to really love their ladders here. And this is the second bedroom, which I also haven't been in. It's been untouched. So bedroom, TV, and I assume this is the other bathroom. Oh yes, that's me. The last time I came to Phuket, which was 6 months ago, we stayed a bit far from Bangla Road, which is like the main area, main road. So this time I booked a place that's only 3 minutes walk, and I didn't go luxury and everything. This is the penthouse apartment. So it's a 2-bedroom penthouse apartment. So this place is nice and it's like 3 minutes walk, so it's really convenient. So I'm happy with this. I'll link down where it is and how much I spent in down below here somewhere. But we're gonna go out for breakfast. Well, now it's gonna be lunchtime and I'll take you along with me. So after lunch, we went to this place called Rainbow Street, which is definitely serves up to its name. So basically the whole ground is painted with different colors. It's so beautiful, great for photos. So I would definitely suggest checking this one out. So at night time, we went back to Bangla Road to this place called Bangla Night Markets, which is known for its really cheap eats. So everything is around $1 to $4 each in Australian, which is super cheap. I will let you know the quality of food, not so great, but great experience. Having crocodile.
Yeah.
How is it?
That's like chicken.
Really?
It's good. After leaving the walking market, we went outside and there was a couple of dances. It was really cool, and we went to Patong Beach and there was fireworks happening. So that was the perfect end to the night. So one of the best things to do when you are in Thailand is to get a tattoo, because it's extremely cheap compared to the prices that are in Australia or US. So after I finished my tattoo, Tamim was still going, so I thought I'd grab a quick bite from the local convenience store, 7-Eleven. Can you imagine they have this much food? This is going to become a mukbang, but it's like $2 to $3 Australian, which is crazy. You can have a whole meal for that much. Trying the shrimp wonton soup. They heated it for me. This honestly tastes like it's from a restaurant. Pandan flavored roll cake. Fluffy.
crab stick, mayonnaise, whole wheat filled bun. I'm excited to try this. It's like the filling of a California roll.
So we came to Burger King and looks like we've come to a fine dining restaurant. Teriyaki chicken with rice. After eating at Burger King, you would think, oh my god, how can you eat more? But Tim finished his tattoo a couple of hours later and he was hungry, so we went to this beach club. After eating, we went back home, got changed, and we decided let's check out the night scene. So guys, it is the next day and we went to this place called Can's House, which is the most amazing Thai food. Probably my favorite that I've had in Phuket. If you're going to go there, I would try the curries because they're absolutely sensational. Okay guys, I'm at Patong Beach and one of the things that you guys need to try when you're here is parasailing. I'm so tiny I couldn't fly away. So, knowing my luck, I had to fall down back first into the water, and you can see so much support that I had from Tamim and my family.
Oh! She fell into the water. Did you go into the water? Did your face go into the water? What? Did you go full into the water?
I just fell back into the water.
How was it?
So guys, after that massive fail, I went back home to get changed, and after that we went to a treetop cafe which had platforms amongst the trees, and it was so beautiful, and there was even a violinist. So I mentioned the food and drinks. It had like snack food and a Thai lunch boxes, which was pretty good. We basically chilled out there for the rest of the day. I mean, look at the place. Why would you not want to? And later that night, we went to this place called Illusion, which is well-known club in Phuket. The next day, which was a Sunday, we went to a place called Old Phuket Town, which is known to have amazing cafes and food. And look at the place. It's so aesthetic, which was perfect because I love taking photos. As you know, you have to try out this ice cream place. It probably has one of the best ice creams I've had, and I'm not even a dessert person. So at nighttime, street becomes a night market. It had everything you can imagine, from food to items to buy.
Looks nice.
Only $4. So that night market basically took over our whole night, and we didn't do anything much after that. And the next morning I had booked a cooking class, a Thai cooking class, which was so cool because they actually teach you how to make everything. You get a choice of 3 dishes that you can pre-choose from beforehand, and you get to learn everything from chefs that actually work in the restaurant.
When we pound the curry, I show you first, and after that you pound by yourself. I show you first. Oh, Master Chef, Master Chef.
At night time, we decided to go back to Illusion because there was a headliner going on called Panda, which I've never heard of. But anyways, we decided to go there. After Pink Panda finished playing, another DJ came on and he was handing out drinks in everyone's mouth, and your girl got a drink. The next day we went to this place called Mandu Cafe, which is this beautiful cafe in the middle of all these huge lily pads, which was, oh my god, you can just see how amazing this place is. We did eat there. I'm gonna be honest, the food was not so great, but if you want to go there to take photos, I would definitely recommend because it's once in a lifetime experience. Hello everyone, it's been a few days since I've actually gotten on camera. I've been super busy Right now we're gonna go to an ATV driving experience, and then I got a couple more activities for today. Today's our last day in Patong before we move on to the next leg, so I'll take you along. Whilst on the ATV ride, we did a mini pit stop and I went to see some elephants. As you can see, I'm feeding them and they gave me a kiss. True love. It was our last day, and I did tell you I have a jam-packed activity list. So we went to Paragon shooting range, which I booked ahead of time, and basically you can choose any gun you want and you get to shoot at a target. I was pretty scared, I'm not gonna lie, but the place was empty, so I was like, okay, let me relax and try to do this. But it ended up being pretty fun and pretty fast, actually. This.
Close left. Look. You see it?
Yeah.
In the black, very.
Oh, you got a few on the head.
Yeah.
And look, I got
Look at
one
that.
in the middle.
Wow, nice, nice.
Hey guys, I'm at Phuket airport and that is the end of this trip in Phuket. But I am not done with my Thailand trip yet. You'll have to see if you watch my next video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.
I've been thinking about crossing the line and just